So children, we are on page number 103 and our question is, answer these questions using there is or there are and the words given in the brackets. So what are the words given in the bracket? Okay, let's check out the first one, which is already been done for you. Where can I buy some sweets? And in the bracket it is written shop around the corner. Now when we say shop, S is not written after that. That means we are talking about one shop. So we are going to use there is. There is a shop around the corner. Okay, this has been already done for you children. Let's see the second one. How many players are there in a football team? Okay, as in the question it is given players, that shows that it is more than one. And what is given in the bracket? 11. Now 11 is again more than 1. So when we talk about more than 1, we start the sentence with there are. So we are going to write here, there are 11 players in a football team. Okay, so because it was 11 more than 1, so we used there are. Now look at the third one. Why is she scared of sleeping in that room? And what is given in the bracket children? Lizard. Is S over there? No, at the end we cannot find an S. That means we are talking about one lizard. So we are going to start the sentence with there is. There is a lizard in that room. Okay. While answering we are writing there is because we are talking about only one lizard which is there in the room. There is a lizard in that room. Now come to the fourth one. How many strings are there on a guitar? Now in the question itself it is written strings. As we can see S over there, that shows that we are talking about more than one thing. And in the bracket it is written 6, and 6 the number is again more than 1. So again we are going to use there are, because when we talk about more than one thing we use there are, A-R-E-R. So we'll start the sentence with there are 6 strings on a guitar. Okay, because we are talking about 6 strings which is more than one, we have used the word there are. We have to start the sentence with there are 6 strings on a guitar. Okay, let's see the fifth one. Why are you sitting in the dark? And in the bracket it is written no electricity. Now when we talk about electricity we consider it as 1 and S is also not there. So we'll consider electricity as 1. Okay. So we are going to write what? There is, because we are talking about 1 or not more than 1. So we will start the sentence with there is. There is no electricity Okay? Why are you sitting in the dark? There is no electricity. This will be our answer. We are going to start the sentence with there is. There is no electricity. Okay, children? I repeat the sentences for you. Where can I buy some sweets? There is a shop round the corner. A shop, that is one shop. In the bracket it is given shop, that is only one shop. S is not written, so we have used there is. There is a shop around the corner. How many players are there in a football team? In the bracket it is given 11. 11 is a number more than 1, and in the question players, that shows that it is more than 1. We are talking about more than 1 people. So we have used there are to start a sentence. There are 11 players in a football team. Okay, third one. Why is she scared of sleeping in that room? In the bracket it is given lizard. S is not there, so we understand that we are talking about one single lizard. So we will start the sentence with there is. There is a lizard in that room. Okay, because it is one lizard, so we have also added a over here. There is a lizard in that room. Come to the next one. How many strings are there on a guitar? Now in the question itself, strings is written. That shows that we are talking about more than one string. And in the bracket it is written 6, and 6 number is more than 1. So we are going to use there are. We have started the sentence with there are because we are talking about 6 strings, that is more than 1. There are 6 strings on a guitar. And the fifth one. Why are you sitting in the dark? In the bracket it is written no electricity. Now in the question you is there. So you means one person, and here no electricity is there. Is S written over there? No. So we consider it as 1. So we are going to start the sentence with there is. There is no electricity. Okay? There is no electricity. So this is all for today, children. Thank you.